Hello, my new book, The Third Man, the official story of the film, is available in all bookshops and has stepped out of the shadows. Let's take a peek inside. On its release in 1949, Carol Reed's atmospheric film noir thriller The Third Man instantly became a classic, winning the Palme d'Or at Cannes, a BAFTA for Best British Film, and the Oscar for Best Cinematography. It features some of cinema's most memorable set pieces and quotable lines. The film's war-torn Viennese locations quickly etch themselves into the memory. You have the vast sewers, the Ferris wheel, the tree-lined cemetery. It marks one of those unusual conjunctions of script, director, subject, cast and setting, and of course music, in which everything works. In time for the film's 75th anniversary, my new book comprehensively covers the making of the movie, acknowledged as a masterwork for many of its key players, director Sir Carol Reed, cast members including Joseph Cotten and Orson Welles, novelist and screenwriter Graham Greene, and composer of the instantly recognisable Zither score, Anton Karas. I have uncovered unpublished photos, artwork, letters, plus new interviews on the identity of the real-life Third Man, and connections to James Bond. So this is a must-have for any film fan and fans of spy cinema too. Now, the first 100 people to send me a screenshot of their Amazon or Goodreads review here will get a limited edition bookmark and signed bookplate. Now, if you'd like to win a signed copy of my new book, then simply subscribe to my YouTube channel here and comment below the video. Good luck!
Heard of Harry Lime?
Best friend I ever had.
He's kaput. Go home, Martins. You don't know what you're mixing in. As soon as I get to the bottom of this, I'll get the neckline.
You're wrong about Harry. You're wrong about everything.
Come out, whoever you are.
You never should have gone to the police, you know.